Hi guys, so I'm going to be doing a morning routine, and I didn't just wake up, I woke up like an hour ago, and I'm just watching Drake and Josh on the iPad, and now it's time for me to get dressed and get up, so I'm going to be brushing my teeth. So I'm at the bathroom, and now I'm just going to grab my toothbrush and some toothpaste. Okay, I already ate breakfast, so now let's go to my room. Okay, the things I'm wearing is this shirt I got from Justice, some jewels, some fall pants I got from Walmart, and a white tank top that I got from Walmart. And I'm going to be wearing earrings. So, when I put my earrings on, I'll get right back to you guys. Okay, the earrings I'm wearing are right here. And this is all I do for my morning routine. And what I'm doing today is I am going to my friend's house. And I have no school today. It's Thursday, and I'm just wearing these black boots from what is it called? I don't remember, but I got them from. Thanks for watching, and bye.